Okay, so it's going to capture everything inside the box. And basically what you want to do is, you'll have your slides up, whether they're Google Slides or PowerPoint slides or whatever, and you should talk through your presentation. All right. Now, in my case, I'm showing like chemistry slides. I didn't put together a gas law presentation for you, but I wanted to kind of give you general ideas and concepts of how to deal with it. What you don't do is read it verbatim. Objective to introduce the concept of an ideal gas KMT and the ideal gas law. No, what you would do is you would say something along the lines of, well, the first thing I'd like to talk about is what is an ideal gas. It's a concept. It's not a real thing, but what is underlying the concept? And so I'd have all this stuff in the background that you could read, but I'm trying to kind of explain without reading verbatim the content. So I would say something like, well, it's not a real thing. It's more of a concept. It's a concept where we assume that gases have zero volume and the particles that are in the gases don't interact with each other. Now, this isn't what actually happens, but under most circumstances that we study the gas laws, the particles that make up the gas behave like that. All right? So a real gas will behave like an ideal gas. There. No. So that goes on. We're done. Now I'm going to stop. That's the idea behind it. Then I'm going to